Over the past few decades, immigrant entrepreneurs have helped drive American innovation in industries from technology to retail to food. Yet despite the incredible contributions of immigrant entrepreneurs, starting a business in the United States can be challenging, especially if you're new to this country. You may not know where to start or who to turn to for help. Language and cultural barriers can make accessing resources even more difficult. Navigating complex legal requirements and building a strong network can also be overwhelming. The good news is that there are people and programs that want to support you on your journey. For generations, America has been called the land of opportunity. But for immigrants arriving with little more than hope, that opportunity can feel out of reach. Every year, thousands of immigrants come to the United States with ideas, business ideas, dreams of opening a store, launching a service, or creating a product that changes lives. Yet many ask themselves, where do I start? Who can guide me? How can I fund my dream? Today we will explore how immigrant entrepreneurs can take their first steps and how the U.S. Small Business Administration, also known as the SBA, can help turn vision into reality. I'm the administrator of the SBA's Office of Capital Access. My office works to ensure that all Americans have access to the capital they need to start and grow their businesses. And today, I'll share how our office and the SBA can help immigrant entrepreneurs like you launch successful businesses. Starting a business takes careful planning. Even if you don't have a clear idea yet of what business you want to start, there are ways to get the wheels turning. One way is by attending one of the SBA's free workshops. At an SBA workshop, you can learn about topics such as developing a business plan, securing funding, marketing your business, and more. You can find a workshop near you by visiting our website at sba.gov. On our website, you can also find free courses that cover these same topics. If you prefer to learn at your own pace, be sure to check out our online courses. They are self-paced, so you can fit them into your busy schedule. Our courses teach a variety of tech, such as how to write a business plan, how to secure funding for your small business, exporting and importing, and navigating government regulations. Once you've attended a workshop or taken an online course, it's time to put your learnings into action. Think about what problems you've experienced that a business could solve. What unique perspective can you bring to the marketplace? What products or services are in demand that you could provide? Once you've considered these questions, it's time to develop a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It will help you refine your ideas and think through the important decisions you'll need to make as you launch your business. The SBA has several free resources to help you write your business plan. You can find a link to our free and easy-to-use online planning tool at SBA.gov. You can also work with a SCORE mentor to develop your business plan. SCORE is a non-profit organization that partners with the SBA to provide free mentoring to entrepreneurs. More than 10,000 volunteers contribute their time and expertise to help entrepreneurs like you succeed. Find a mentor near you by visiting the website score.org. After you've developed your business plan, you may need to secure funding to launch your business. There are several different options for funding your small business. To learn more about your options, attend an SBA workshop on securing funding, check out our online course on the same topic, or speak with an SBA expert at your local SBA office. You can find your local office using the Office Locator tool on our website. Many entrepreneurs are eligible for special programs that provide access to capital and technical assistance. One of these programs is the 8A Business Development Program. This program provides business training, mentoring, and government contracting opportunities to socially and economically disadvantaged entrepreneurs. To learn more about this program and others like it, visit our website at sba.gov. No matter what funding path you choose, you'll need to consider how you will repay the money you borrow. Lenders will want to know how you will repay the loan, so it's important to think about your cash flow and revenue projections carefully. Once you have a solid plan for funding your business, you're ready to take the next step toward launching your business, securing the necessary licenses and permits. Licenses and permits allow you to legally operate your business and provide you credibility with customers and vendors alike. Different businesses need different licenses and permits, so be sure to research what you will need before you get started. The SBA has a helpful tool on our website that allows you to search for licenses and permits based on your industry. You can find the tool at SBA.gov. In addition, your local SBA office can connect you with the resources you need to get your business licensed and permitted. Another critical step in starting your business is protecting your intellectual property. Intellectual property includes inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, and symbols used in commerce. Many new businesses do not take the time to protect their intellectual property. However, doing so can be critical to your success. The SBA's free online courses, workshops, and webinars can help you understand how to protect your intellectual property. You can also get free legal advice from a SCORE mentor. Now that your business is launched, it's time to start thinking about growth. Growing your business may mean hiring employees or expanding into new markets. The SBA can help you with resources for hiring and exporting. We also offer free online courses on topics such as marketing your business and managing employees. Starting a business can be daunting, but with the right resources and support, you can turn your vision into a thriving reality. That's why the SBA is proud to partner with organizations like USPAN, the U.S. Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, the Asian American Chamber of Commerce, and Black Enterprise to provide resources specifically tailored to the needs of underserved communities. These organizations can provide guidance, mentorship, and networking opportunities that can help you succeed. If you're a veteran or military spouse, you can also access specialized programs designed to support your unique needs and challenges. The SBA's Boots to Business program, for example, provides training and resources to help veterans start and grow successful companies. Additionally, the SBA's network of 68 district offices across the country have dedicated teams of experts ready to assist you. These experts can provide counseling, training, funding, and other resources to help you navigate the challenges of starting and growing a business. In addition to the SBA, several other organizations can provide valuable resources and support to immigrant entrepreneurs. Local chambers of commerce, for example, can help you connect with other businesses in your community. Professional organizations can provide industry-specific guidance and support. And nonprofits can. And I have the privilege of telling you about an organization that was created more than 60 years ago to help people just like you. The Small Business Administration was founded in 1953, and today we are celebrating our 69th year of service. Over the decades, we've helped millions of entrepreneurs turn their dreams into reality. And we're here to tell you that if you have a dream, if you want to start a business, if you want to expand your business or improve your business, the SBA is here to help you. Now, what exactly is the SBA? Let me tell you. The SBA, or Small Business Administration, is a U.S. government agency created to help people like you, the entrepreneurs of this country. Our job is to work with you, the 12 million small businesses across America. Whether you're an American citizen or a permanent resident, whether you've been here for generations or just a few years, the SBA is here to support you. Why? Because we believe that when small businesses succeed, America succeeds. Now, let me be clear, the SBA does not give out loans. We do not replace banks. Instead, we work with banks and other lenders to guarantee those loans. What that means is that if you're a borrower, if you're an entrepreneur seeking a loan, the SBA will guarantee a portion of that loan, which makes it easier for you to get the funding you need to start or grow your business. In addition, the SBA provides counseling, education, and mentorship to small businesses. We do not charge for this service. Our goal is to help you succeed. We want to make sure that you have the tools you need to start and grow a successful business. Let me share with you a story of one of our clients. Maria is a recent immigrant who came to the United States with a dream of starting her own bakery. With the help of an SBA loan guarantee and the guidance of an SBA counselor, Maria was able to open the doors to her very own bakery. Today, she is not only a successful entrepreneur, but also a proud American citizen. Maria's story is just one of millions that the SBA has helped create over the past 69 years. Our mission is simple: to ensure that every entrepreneur has a chance to succeed regardless of their background. We believe that everyone should have the opportunity to own a piece of the American dream. So, what can the SBA do for you? Well, if you're a new business owner, we can help you get started. If you're looking to expand your business, we can help you find the resources you need. And if you're facing challenges, we can connect you with the support you need to get back on track. In addition to our loan guarantee programs, the SBA offers a wide range of free resources, including counseling, training, and mentoring. Our counselors are experienced professionals who have worked with businesses just like yours. They can provide you with the guidance you need to navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. At the SBA, we take pride in our commitment to serving all Americans. We believe that small businesses are the backbone of our economy, and we are here to support them. Our office works with entrepreneurs all over the state of New York. We have helped thousands of businesses get the funding they need to succeed. We also offer specialized programs for entrepreneurs from underrepresented communities. We are committed to ensuring that everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. Starting or growing a business can be challenging, but you don't have to go it alone. The SBA offers a wide range of programs, from microloans as small as $500 to large loans worth millions. From technical assistance to helping veterans, women, and minority-owned businesses, the SBA has a program for you. Let's take a look at some of them. The first is the 7A loan program. This is the SBA's most popular loan program, and it provides funding for a variety of purposes, including working capital, equipment purchases, real estate, and more. The loans can be used by startups or existing businesses and can be used for just about any legitimate business purpose. Now 7A loans have maximums. They can be as small as $500 or as large as $5.5 million. The amount of money that you can borrow will depend on several factors, including your business size, industry, and personal credit history. The SBA will guarantee a portion of the loan, which makes it less risky for lenders to approve and fund. Next is the microloan program. This program provides loans up to $50,000 to help small startups and small businesses meet their short-term financial needs. Microloans are typically used for things like purchasing inventory or supplies, buying equipment or furniture, or for working capital to cover day-to-day expenses. These loans have low interest rates and don't require collateral. They also have very flexible repayment terms. Because of this program, many small businesses that might not qualify for a traditional bank loan can still get the funding they need to get started or to keep their business running. The third program we'll discuss is the 504 loan program. The 504 program provides long-term, low-interest financing for the purchase of commercial real estate and equipment. It's a great option for small businesses that need to buy property or equipment but may not have the cash flow to qualify for a traditional mortgage or bank loan. The program is designed to be more accessible than conventional financing options, and it offers very low interest rates that can be fixed for the life of the loan. Next is disaster loans. As the name suggests, this program provides financial assistance to businesses that have suffered a substantial economic injury due to a declared disaster. The SBA uses its own funds and other federal programs to make these loans, which can be used to help businesses recover from damage to their property, to their inventory, or to help make up for lost income. These loans are intended to help businesses get back on their feet after a devastating event and to help them recover from the financial impact of the disaster. Now, those are just four of the many programs the SBA offers. In addition to these loan programs, the SBA also offers a variety of other resources and services to help entrepreneurs start and grow their businesses. The SBA partners with a number of organizations to provide training, mentorship, and free business counseling. Through its nationwide network of small business development centers, the SBA's SCORE program, which stands for Service Corps of Retired Executives, provides free mentoring and advice to small business owners. The SBA's Women's Business Centers offer training and resources specifically for women entrepreneurs. In conclusion, the SBA has a wide range of programs and services to meet the needs of a diverse range of entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking for funding, mentorship, or training, the SBA can help you get started or help your business grow. So if you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, be sure to check out the SBA and all of the resources that are available to you. Many people wonder if they have the right documentation or credit history to qualify. As a community development financial institution and the largest non-bank lender in the country, we've helped thousands of immigrant entrepreneurs obtain the funding they need to start and grow their businesses. Today, we'll answer common questions about SBA loans and immigration status so you can start planning your future with confidence. To qualify for an SBA loan, you typically need 4 things: a legal immigration status, a solid business plan, a reasonable credit history, and proof that you've invested your own time or money into the business. Let's take a closer look at each of these requirements. First, immigration status. Are you a lawful permanent resident or a conditional resident? Do you have a worker's visa such as H-1B, L-1, or O-1? If you're a refugee or asylum seeker, are you eligible for an SBA loan? The answer is often yes. In fact, the SBA doesn't restrict loan eligibility based on immigration status. However, you must be legally present in the United States and have a social security number to be considered. It's important to note that non-immigrant visa holders, such as those with student visas, are generally not eligible for SBA loans because they are not authorized to engage in gainful employment in the United States. Second, business plan. Can you articulate your business concept and demonstrate how your idea can generate revenue and serve customers? If so, you're well on your way to securing an SBA loan. The SBA wants to see that you have a viable business concept that can generate revenue and serve customers. You don't need a fancy business plan or years of experience to get started. You just need a clear idea of what you want to do and how you plan to achieve success. Third, credit history. Is it possible to qualify for an SBA loan with a low credit score or no credit history at all? Surprisingly, the answer is often yes. While a good credit history is always helpful, the SBA understands that many new businesses don't have a lot of history. That's why they offer several loan programs with different credit requirements. For example, some loans require a minimum credit score of 640, while others require a score of 500 or higher. Additionally, the SBA considers several factors beyond your personal credit score, such as your business's revenue and cash flow, the strength of your business plan, and the amount of time you spend in business. Even if you have a low credit score or no credit history, you may still be able to qualify for an SBA loan if you can demonstrate that you're a responsible borrower and that your business is a good investment. Fourth, investment. Have you invested any of your own time or money into the business? This is another important factor for SBA lenders. They want to see that you're invested in the success of your business and that you're willing to put your own money where your mouth is. This doesn't mean you have to invest a lot of money, but you should be prepared to invest at least a small amount. If you're unsure how much to invest, talk to an SBA lender or business advisor. They can help you determine how much you need to invest based on your business and loan program. We understand that starting a business can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to the country and navigating a new culture and economy. That's why we're committed to providing immigrant entrepreneurs with the resources they need to succeed. We offer free and confidential business advising, access to capital, and a supportive network of mentors and peers. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for a while, we can help you take your business to the next level. So the answer to the question, am I eligible for an SBA loan, is often yes. But it's important to remember that every business is different and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best way to find out is to contact an SBA lender or business advisor. They can review your situation and help you determine which loan programs you may be eligible for. The SBA doesn't require perfection, they require commitment. Starting a business can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right planning and preparation, you can set yourself up for success. So don't let immigration status hold you back from pursuing your dreams. There are resources available to help you get started on the path to entrepreneurship. To begin the process, visit a local SBA office or go online to SBA Gulfville. From there, you can find lenders, mentors, and free resources to help prepare your application. Step by step, your dream moves closer to reality. Take the first step today and see where your journey will take you. To close, let's look at one inspiring example, Hamdi Ulukaya. He came to the United States as an immigrant from Turkey. He had a vision to make yogurt better, but like many immigrants, he needed support. With the help of the SBA and its programs, he was able to secure funding. That funding turned into Chobani, a brand now worth billions, employing thousands of people and known worldwide. Hamdi's story reminds us that every dream, no matter how small it seems, can grow into something extraordinary. When Hamdi first came to America, he worked in construction. He saved enough money to buy a yogurt maker and started making yogurt in his own kitchen. He wanted to share his delicious Turkish yogurt with American customers. But he faced challenges. Banks weren't willing to lend to a new immigrant without strong collateral. But Hamdi didn't give up. He reached out to the SBA and got the support he needed to start his business. The rest, as they say, is history. Today, Chobani is one of the most successful food companies in America. It's a testament to the power of the American dream and the importance of supporting immigrants who want to make that dream a reality. Hamdi's story also shows us the value of hard work and perseverance. He didn't just come to America and start a successful business. He worked hard to make it happen. He didn't speak English when he first arrived, but he learned the language so he could connect with customers and build relationships. He faced many obstacles, but he never gave up on his dream, and neither should you. If you have an idea, big or small, don't let fear hold you back. Visit the SBA, connect with mentors, and take the first step. Because America is still the land of opportunity, and your future is waiting. Thank you.